Classic Wix versus Wix Studio. So, Wix has long been a favorite for users who want to create websites without coding experience. But recently, they introduced Wix Studio, a new platform aimed at providing more advanced capabilities for designers and developers. So, let's see what are the advantages of Classic Wix that we can see in Wix Studio, also advantages in Wix Studio that we can't see or use in Classic Wix. So, while Wix Studio offers more advanced features, Classic Wix still holds some advantages that might make it the better choice for certain users, especially for beginners. Number one is simplicity and ease of use. So, the advantage in Wix or Classic Wix is that Classic Wix is known for its beginner friendly drag and drop editor, which is extremely intuitive. Users with no web design experience can easily build and customize their websites without facing a steep learning curve. They also have this pre-made template. So the advantage in Classic Wix is that Classic Wix offers a vast library of pre-made templates designed for a wide variety of industries. Users can use a template, make minor adjustments, and have a website live in short amount of time. While Wix Studio offers more custom design freedom, the pre-made template selection in Classic Wix is easier to use for those who don't want to start from scratch. Number three, faster setup. So the advantage in Classic Wix is that if you need to get a website up quickly with minimal fuss, Classic Wix is much faster. The simplified interface combined with the availability of customizable templates allows users to set up and publish their sites much faster compared to Wix Studio, which requires more time to understand and customize. And they have this less time consuming. So the advantage again in Classic Wix is that because Classic Wix is simpler and offers pre-made solutions, it is less time consuming to manage and maintain. Wix Studio, however, being a more sophisticated tool for designers and developers, often requires more time for setup, customization, and ongoing updates. Now, another advantage in Classic Wix is the price plans and affordability. So, Classic Wix offers a range of pricing plans that cater to individuals and, of course, small businesses. So, while Wix Studio may have higher plans due to its advanced features, Classic Wix is often more affordable for users who just need a simple website and don't need access to professional grade features. So, if you can just simply avail from any of this very small amount to purchase, then you can try Classic Wix. Okay, so you can see the features right here. So, pre-configured elements. So, another thing is that the Classic Wix comes with pre-configured elements like contact forms, galleries, and blog features, which are easy to drag and drop into your site. In Wix Studio, these elements are more customizable but might require more effort to configure properly. And then support for beginners. Of course, advantage in Classic Wix is that it offers more beginner friendly support with tutorials and guidance aimed at those who may not be familiar with web design or coding. Okay, now once you're done with this and you have knowledge about the difference or the advantage of Classic Wix and Wix Studio, or the advantage of Classic Wix first. Now we can proceed with the advantages or the things that Wix Studio offers over Classic Wix. Okay, so actually, Wix Studio offers several powerful advantages over Classic Wix, particularly for beginners, developers, and users who want more advanced customization, flexibility, and control over their websites. So here are the key areas. Number one, advanced design flexibility. So in Wix Studio provides a much higher level design of freedom compared to Classic Wix. It allows for pixel perfect precision, flexible grids, and advanced layout customization. Designers can fully control the spacing, alignment, and layout to create truly unique custom websites, which is harder to achieve in Classic Wix, more template based approach. Another thing is responsive design control. So Wix Studio offers enhanced responsive design tools, allows users to fine-tune how their website look on different screen sizes like mobile, tablet, desktop. Where Classic Wix has responsive design features, Wix Studio gives more granular control over breakpoints, making it ideal for users who want full control over their site's appearance on all devices. Number three, we have here professional animation and interaction. So in Wix Studio includes advanced animation tools, letting users create sophisticated interactions, transitions, and animations. This help websites more dynamic and engaging. And Classic Wix has limited animation capabilities, mostly offering basic transition. Now, here is the enhanced developer tools. So, the advantage in Wix Studio, it provides deeper integration for developers with advanced tools like custom code, APIs, and dynamic content, collaborative development. So, if you have idea for this custom code, APIs, and dynamic content, then Wix Studio is the one for you. Now, custom workflows and automation. So, Wix Studio offers more customizable workflows and automation options, enabling designers and agencies to streamline repetitive tasks and manage client feedback and automate processes. Also, this Wix Studio offers this advanced SEO and performance optimization, so it provides more sophisticated tools for SEO and performance optimization. Also, Wix Studio includes more powerful CMS that lets users manage dynamic content across large websites. This allows more flexible content structures and making it easier to handle blogs, portfolios, or e-commerce sites with complex requirements. Okay, so these are just a few advantages of Wix Studio over Classic Wix. So, as a conclusion, Wix Studio offers numerous advantages that make it the preferred choice for professional designers and developers, including advanced design, flexibility, enhanced developer tools. And so, as you can see here, if you're looking to create a highly customizable, scalable, and dynamic website with professional features, Wix Studio is the clear winner over Classic Wix. But if you're just a beginner and want a simple version or simple website, simple learning, user friendly interface, then I strongly suggest to try the Classic Wix. So overall, choose Classic Wix if you're a beginner or a non-technical user. You want a fast, simple website setup. You don't need advanced design or custom coding. You prefer affordable pricing plans and pre-made templates. Choose Wix Studio if you're a professional designer, developer, or part of a web design team. You need complete design flexibility and advanced customization. You want more control over SEO, performance, and responsive design, and you're building complex, dynamic, or large scale websites. And basically, that's it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.